Okay, let me share the link. It's not too bad. Okay. All right, can we continue? Can we join? Yeah. All right, let's move on to the links on the group chat. Just keep going to follow. Let's do setup and some things today. Camera is not, it's not too bad. Oh. Nice most. Okay. Can you just send a chat? Let me send a chat. I said just hello, just send a chat. Let me see if you're right. Hello. You can also use the quality to like 360 so to go faster in case your network is too slow. You understand? Or 480 if possible. Okay, just send a chat. Like hi, I'm here. Let me see something there so far. Like a comment. Have you done it? I see answers. Okay, yes, answers. Yeah. So please like, comment, subscribe. All right. I think yeah. So Frank, who's your own?
I just can't believe. Oh, sit here. Oh my goodness. Look at chat.
Participants. Okay, I'm seeing all the is linked. I can't see, I can see Franklin is linked. Okay, Frank, yeah.
We are active.
Subscribe and comment. Can see if we are active correct. So are we good to go? Okay. Almost go. Jubilee. Frank, that picture, please. That picture. A fine boy, yo.
My picture where?
On your DP. I don't want to give me pictures and
No,
avatar.
that's not
All right.
That's not you. That's not you. That's I think an animation.
Okay. So today we're going to be doing create an intro. So that's it for the next person to join Mr. Jubilee to start very fast, not very serious and fast. Take it easy, okay? Yeah, love that. So let's see if you're there. Let's just take it go. Okay. So hopefully it's gonna be a series. So every day we'll be doing a code problem with HackerRank and Code Wars. And aim is so that you can find that as in programming, we learn by practicals, not by really theory. So the more you program, the more you get better. You understand? And now, I want to start with what we know. We all know JavaScript. Of course, you know React.js. Of course, you know. Let me ask this, Frank. What do you know? Which of them do you know? Just give me a chat. The coding you can program. Let's know them. Frank, Osad, let's know. I'm very familiar with CSS, HTML. Just give me down. JavaScript, C++, Perl, let's note it. But for today, we'll start with the easiest one, or the one. If you know SQL, Postgres, and so on, give it down there. I'll start with that one and progress from there. So let's see. Okay, you know HTML. Okay, okay. So, but okay, so Frank, okay, he didn't put JavaScript there. No JavaScript. Oh wow, glory. Okay. All right. So I'm seeing, okay. Who is Jack Robinson? Okay. Good. You know JavaScript. So I can't, I'm seeing Osas yours too. So what I'm seeing Frank said he knows HTML, CSS, JavaScript, no, HTML, CSS, SQL, and Python. I can't see Osas, what I want you are you familiar with in the tech languages? Let's see that. Jacob is the same HTML, CSS, SQL, and JavaScript. Okay, that's awesome. So the code wars is meant to be we'll delve deeper. Yeah, I'm waiting for you guys for your comments. Mr. Osas, are you with us? So what are you familiar with? Let's go from there. Or should push? Okay, okay. Mr. Osas, waiting for you on your way. Okay, all right. Can we proceed? All right, let's proceed now. So, um, the okay. Sorry for that. But this is going to be I'll be doing more of the back end, how to tackle real life programs and problems in programming language. Now, we all know that we're all familiar with front end programming. It's all about the client site, what the client can see, the color, the font, navigations, the UI, things like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, frameworks like Bootstrap, they use. And to go more deeper, we have JavaScript framework we use like React.js, AngularJS, Vue.js, Next, TypeScript. But for today, we're dealing more on how to solve problems in backend. Back end languages programming is more about the what can be seen, the algorithm, the flows that um, the programmers, you guys, what we use to link to the front end development. So tools like languages like Java, C++, PHP, C Sharp, Python. We use that to do most. So today we'll start with the basics one, which is vanilla JS, JavaScript. So let's know how to solve it with um, online platforms. Thanks to Code Wars for this privilege and HackerRank. So we'll do that. So today we'll start with how to link our accounts, do the account verification, and sign up and make sure it's up to date. Then probably in our next class we'll start the coding. So today I'll show you my screen. I'll walk you through how to make sure that your Code Wars account is well linked and good like that. Okay, are we good to go? All right, let's go. So let me share my screen with you guys. So just flow with me and we'll push. Right, this is my screen. Okay, so now this is my Code Wars account. This all right. This is my Code Wars account profile. Now we'll do it together. It's just me. So how do we edit our profile? I go to account settings. Now in account settings, now I can just do your two screens splitted. You can see me and follow account settings. Okay, so email. So an email should be the email you have on your GitHub repository and your LinkedIn account. That email you use for more of your tech studies, courses, gigs, projects. I called mine Spirit PyDev. Spirit is my name. Py is Python developer. So just my account. Username. My name is called Great Man Spirit. Username, greatest man ever. The clan could be a company or school. I use my current company I work with right now in Nigeria, BG Technical Limited. I use that. Then are you flowing? Okay. All right. So let's go on. So they can always change it for you, edit and change it. So like put the company, put my BT username, anything you wanna use. Probably name you have, name you use for your LinkedIn username, put it to as your code was. My use any I'd like using my name, this man ever. This is my name for on Twitter on X, greatest man ever. Just then skills. What skills do you have? So go together. What skills do you have? You know, even if you know it's small, just even if it's 10%, you know it, put it there. I think I understand Python personally. I understand PHP. I understand. Just put JavaScript. That's for me. Just put it do there. I understand. I think I know 5% of C plus plus. Yeah. Then of course React JS. Next next JS. Then my SQL. By the way, SQL is so similar to Postgres. So if you know SQL, you will look to understand Postgres. So just slight differences. They're all the DNS. So then Postgres, Post SQL, then TypeScript. So all these JavaScript languages, frameworks like Next.js, React.js, TypeScript, they're all kind of similar. So once you understand the further JavaScript, how it works, you can really navigate all of them. Whether it's Vue.js, whether it's Angular, they are not really far-fetched from each other. So just know how it works. And so today we'll do more of how to understand it. We'll break it down to the simplest. So because coding is really not hard, it's very easy. Once you understand the problem, break it down into segments and small you solve them with that, you would know it very, very well. I'm done with mine for now. Yes. Hey, I know PHP to PHP. Then yeah, Java too. All right. Now below that, I have under it the local exercise. So you can just be a beginner, advanced beginner, competent, proficient, master. Since you were your first time, just put in beginners. For me, I would think I'm one a bit input competent for now or proficient, yeah. I'm level 4, so I think I've gone a bit far. All right, then now scroll down, you have socials. I link your GitHub. Let's can I'll link mine now. I'll link mine personally. So now how link GitHub, click on the link there. It will send you a pop-up link yours to get to his mind. Then put in your social media X, so on Twitter, put it there. On LinkedIn, put it there. Just go to your LinkedIn. I mean, I go to my LinkedIn account. I'll come out, I put in LinkedIn, very easy.com. Sorry for that. I go to LinkedIn. How to see my LinkedIn URL profile? Just go to LinkedIn, then very easy. Click on your profile link there. So LinkedIn also this also for the same thing happens to Twitter to the same thing. LinkedIn is too slow. Network. Nigerian is okay, so now here, opens now. Then this is my LinkedIn profile. Click on my profile link, profile picture. It has to load first of all. So now then I go to my this the browser URL, copy it there, go back to my CodeWars account and paste it there. That's done. Then send it to for Twitter to go to your X account, x.com, load, go to your profile, copy from there and paste it there. 17 to profile, you see. Copy it from here, hit my account and paste it there. Please, are we following? Just give me a thumbs up, comment you're following. Let me see you're following. Give me a thumbs up. Oh, I'm with you. Said if you're leader, you're working alone and taking it through. Taking it through any morning. Let's work together. Taking it through. So just okay, Frank's with me. All right. Okay, Frank's with me. Well, I've seen Osa's reply. I'm familiar with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, and SQL and Python. Okay. All right, that's good. So let's continue. I'm seeing Jack's reply. Okay, good. It shouldn't be a long. So we're done with now. We've linked our X account, our LinkedIn, our GitHub. So that one, Stack Overflow, is like Stack Overflow. Let's see it together. A lot of practical. So Stack Overflow is a community where programmers goes to discuss, solve problems. Before the event of AI being rampant, I do use that for my issues to my bugs. Good, yeah, it's like very amazing. Just like Reddit and all this and Quora. So you go there to ask questions about coding problems. Any language you want is there. So I think it's not hard. So go to login through my email, continue and login quickly. In fact, it's the number one in the world currently about coding community. So you see it's there. Then how do we see our profile? It's nice. You just go there, copy is my own username here. Yeah. So that's our profile. So we just look that is done. Can we edit profile? Let's see. Edit profile image. Say must put it there. Okay, I think we are good. Okay. So yes, we can also link. Okay, let's do that one. So in Stack Overflow community, upload image. You put my at once. Upload image. Let me put an image. I go to my. If I have one personally, let me go to my system just very quickly. Because these are what you help makes you. It's all about networking. As a programmer, to have a network of people who are with you in your industry, because your network determines your net worth. So just put it there and an image. I'll put this one for me there just quickly. Right, that image, no problem. Just leave it that blank. That image, put an image there. Location, Nigeria, where I'm based right now. Title, I'll put software dev engineer. ENG. Okay, engineer, engineer, then data scientist. About me, beg me first after. The link, website link for now. No, I'll put I'll put my LinkedIn in my website link here for this one. Go to GitHub, go to Codewars, copy Codewars, go back there, paste it there. Go to Codewars, copy your X account there, paste it there. And GitHub too, the same thing. Go to Codewars, copy your GitHub. So it's not really hard to see most of the time. Okay. We are flowing, right? We are flowing, we are flowing. Is there any questions, anything that are going through, any challenges, please let me know. Let's flow together. Just let's set up fully the Stack Overflow profile by linking your um put your image there. If you have an image, put it there. Location Nigeria or you are in Ghana, fine Biafra. No, put it there. Title, yeah, if you're programmer, developer, put it there. About me, have you don't have it leave it blank for now. It's not a must. But when you scroll down, the links, it shows website link, X link, GitHub link. For the website link now, you can put in your LinkedIn profile URL there. For the X, copy your X from your CodeWars account, copy, paste there. GitHub too. So the GitHub account, go to profile, copy, copy from there, we'll browser this, and paste it there. And we are good to go. All right, then finish, save. That is done. Good. So copy your Stack Overflow profile link from there, from the your browser search engine top. Go back to your CodeWars account and paste it there. So now in CodeWars, you have preference, your notification. Just put send me immediately. Yeah, that's better off. The default catalog list view or kata. The kata means the problems you're solving. So want to show everything, both the new ones, approved ones. So click on show all. It will be good for that. Then passwords. Is there a must? Webhook. Okay, we are done. Click on updates. Updates. We are good now. All right. We've done this part. Just give me a thumbs up. Let's not done with for this one. Then I'll explain a bit. Okay, done. Thumbs up. Then we'll turn the next one to be all right. Good, 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 good. So now, if you all right, if you go look at your code wars, click on home. Oh, let me share my screen. Sorry, let me share my screen. Click on homes. Now you see this is my own personal dashboard. Normally, as you remember, you call from eight. Eight is the lowest. From eight to seven to six, five, four, three, two, one. So now, how do you grow your rank by solving the problem? Let's just do a brief review right now. A review of that. Let's so now go to practice. Practice. And you see, so now you have sort by. Allow sorting by most completed. That one very easy for our time. Then languages. Now, if you're good with, since we said if you're good with JavaScript, let's start with the easiest one. We all know, I think we all say we all know JS here, right? So let's choose language, JavaScript. Or let's just use Python for now. It's very sweet. I'll put it through Python. Then progress, put all. And difficulty is that your rank now. So you see, 8 is the easiest, but the hardest is 1. Let's put 8. Okay, just flow with me. Flow with me. Then tags. There's no must put tags. It's like these are various concepts in programming, algebra, algorithm, array, binary, DS. Leave it for now. We want randomly. We're done with that. I see in your screen, you see that it gives us problems in level 8. Yeah, mine is showing because I've done that. Multiply, we see multiply, we see scroll down, even on odd numbers. Now, each problem I'm solved with various languages. This one I'm solved with, I did JavaScript, I did Python, SQL, AGA, any of them, FB, CC, CFML, any of them, C++. So coding is very, very, very sweet. Java, and it's as much as the PHP, TypeScript. So we'll do one that I've not done before. Let's go down. We'll all do it together. We'll all do it together. So just flow with me. Okay. Let me change my own stuff to go our time. I'll change it to progress. Kata not completed or worked on. All right. Now, this one is said function one hello. Let's see. So click on it. You flow with me. Let's do it together. Let's vibe together this morning. Okay. So let's flow on it. Let's see. Okay. So you're welcome once again to CodeQuest Daily, your daily journey to mastering problem solving in programming. I'm really excited because today marks the one of our brand new series that we will be solving coding problems together every day. And before we dive into problem solving today, we will lay a foundation. Make sure your Codewars and HackerRank accounts are properly set up. Now, why is it important? Because a complete profile will give you credibility when applying for jobs or internship online or on site. It helps you to track your progress and keep you motivated. It makes it easy for you to showcase your coding journeys to others. Think of it as your coding portfolio. So today I'll guide you step by step to fill up your details. Now we've finished doing code wars, profile, username. Now let's just solve a problem with code wars, for which you go into HackerRank briefly. But don't skip any section, just flow with me, flow with me. From tomorrow, we'll start doing real-time problems. So today we're just only on Python, break it down in steps. So I know that it's not really about solving or cramming solutions. I would say it's about building a mindset that when you see a problem, and in every problem is solution. So every just so that anything you see in coding, JavaScript, front end, database, so that there's always an answer. So just the more you code, get better. Take a quote. a popular quote that always said this. He said, one code a day keeps a bug away," and it's so true. So let's continue. So stay with me, and we'll have a lovely time together. All right, let's solve this one. Let's tackle this very easy. Nice level 8, oh, very easy. Very easy. Power, power. So now it give us, it said, this is the question. Description: make a simple function called greet that returns the most famous hello world. Style points. Sure, this is about to get easy, but how clever can you be to create the most creative hello world? Can you think of what is hello world solution you want to show your friends? So this is not very easy. Let's do then to solve. Click on train. All right. Now make it bigger. I want a bigger screen. So I did like this. So now good. So you write your code. So normally after doing your code, you click on tests. Sorry, you click on tests. Most times test might run through, attempt will not run through. So test must run through attempt. So let's start with that one. So now a full screen. How do we solve that? Now, first of all, let's define our work. I love comments in my work. So let's do, I will say, we define a function called greet. Now, they told us that they told us to create a function called greet that would print out hello world. Okay? So now, called greets, comments. Can use your control / comment very then. So in Python, we use this abbreviation def for function to define a function. Let's start. Def greets. We call the mode function greets. Then call this a parenthesis and a colon. That's how you define a function in Python. Def, this is the def, then the name of the function is called greet, empty parenthesis colon. Then press enter, give a click on tab key. Yes, it's called it indentation. All right, that is done. Let's go on. So now the function should return the, you call str string in programming. You return the string hello world, or it will flow together. Hello world. But please, I want to note the kata specifically expects lowercase letters. That means if you put hello world 9 letters, you have failed it. It should be all lowercase. So let's do that. So to be small h and small w. Now just only put in the code. Don't mind my comments, my personal way of avoiding mistake my own way. Don't follow me. Just do yours by putting the comment the code itself. All right. Now, simple. And it's actually a code of 2 lines. Line one, define it, define grid. Line two, return hello world with this um exclamation mark. We are done. Okay, let's go and see if I to run. Let's go back and test it. If it failed, give us red. It failed. Why? Great. What was the issue? It's telling us that on potato identifier, grits. We use grits. Let's see the question. Okay, take a mistake I did. So let me see what is happening here. Okay. Okay, yeah. Now the issue now is because of in Python, every current login have its own personal comment signature, comment sign. In Python, they use hash as their comment. JavaScript, they use forward slash. Let's change to hash. What is Python? Just put the hash. That's why showing white. So the hash. Hey, good. So the hash. Now it's showing it making sense now. The hash. Okay. Let's again run it and see. Define. We defined. That means it doesn't want to see the comment. Oh, okay. Let's take it away. Run again. Okay. It should not same issue happening again. Oh, sorry, a mistake. I chose JavaScript. I'm doing Python. That's why I don't feel very well. You see, let's play the Python. That's why that nonsense happening to change to Python. That's why I was like, hey, all right, do it again. So now it's simple. Now we define comments, define the grids, then return hello world. Let's see now the devil that was supposed to know. Any power will die by fire today. Now let's test and see. Now they all passed. You see? Let's now attempt. The test has small test parameters to test. Attempt has more than that. Attempt and see. Oh, it attempts. So you submit. So it worked. You see, it worked. Good. So now let's do it again now with JavaScript. So we done yours. You did yours. Did it run? You run. Give me a thumbs up on that. I mean, if it worked on yours, just a code of 2 lines. Define it, then enter. Give it a following of space. World. Okay, let's do that. Then let's now do in JavaScript and see. Okay, if you're done, give me a thumbs up. Let me see you're done. Let's give me a thumbs up. Let's see. I'll say it worked. It worked. It worked. Almost, almost hit gold on my first try. Gold like forex trading or what? I would need forex. Frank, your handwork. Okay, Jack Robinson. Not catch him. Okay, done. Okay, that is done. Yours is done. Frank, are you done? Also, just give me a thumbs up or put them done. Let's not do now sit back there, change that Python, click on JavaScript, just scroll down. JavaScript should be J. There are plenty. We see C, COBOL. COBOL is this ancient early accounting. COBOL means common business oriented language. Then Coffee scripts, C++, Crystal, C Sharp, Dart, Elixir, LM, Erlang, Factor, Go, Groovy, Java. So let's focus on JavaScript. So if this is Python, how do you do JavaScript on code? You can try. The Python uses def for function. What of JavaScript? Can try. Let's try together. Are we done? Or are you guys talking? Can you see my screen, right? That's my screen, maybe. Yes. Just do yours and scroll down, click on test and attempts. We'll test first of all. It runs, it shows green on this left-hand side dashboard. Attempts and submit. If you're that, tell me you're done. I'll proceed to the next one, JavaScript. Okay, so I think let's go to now. For JavaScript, let us define it. So now JavaScript uses the comment as forward slash comments. So the same thing, we're gonna we define a function called greets in JavaScript. We use the function keywords. Now, in Python, we use a keyword called def, but in JavaScript, call it function keywords. Please take notes. They're just similar, but different things, but similar, just slight differences. Okay. Now let's declare it as function. All this function, all this small letter, then function name is called greets. We do an empty parenthesis. Then no, in Python we use this colon, but in JavaScript we use curly braces. Curly braces. Then into two. Now in JS we write our functions inside the curly braces. So now we now leave the function. Are we together? Okay. So Sas, are we together?
No.
What's the matter?
Yeah.
Is an error, a bug, or a thing wrong your system?
My hashtag is commenting code.
Yes, now. Okay, the comment should be there, but it's not a must. Just focus mainly on the code itself, actually. In Python's comments, the symbol is hash to hash. In JavaScript's comment, the symbol is forward slash, two of it. Okay. So now, a return. So both Python and JS uses return to return a function. So return the keywords hello, hello world with the exclamation mark, and always end your code in JavaScript with a semicolon. It's a must. After which, let's now test and see if the Lord is good. Now it's run, passed through, failed zero, attempts, you see, submit. Now we solved it. We solved the same question with we solved the same problem with Python and JS. That will be all we'll do today for Code Wars. I hope we are all okay. Have we done it? Any challenge you're experiencing? Frank,
I was trying to get JavaScript.
have you done Python?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So that will be that. So just since they're all similar, but in JavaScript they use function instead of def, and instead of colon they use curly brace at the end. So just the same concepts, but some slight differences between two of them. Okay, so I think we'll stop there today. So we spent time almost an hour right now. Okay, so we'll continue from just HackerRank tomorrow. Let's do other things to do in the office. So are we done? Just click done, click done, click I'm done. Or click I just write. We solved this successfully. Solved your Python. Let me know I did Python. I did Python. I did my JavaScript. Let me know you've done. Then end there today. Yeah, Jack is saying so using console.log rather would return not work. And um we use console.log to print out a statement JavaScript. But if you want to just return it to the system because it's the back end, we use return. To do a printout for Python, you call it print, then the hello world. In JS, we call it console.log, then print. For now, just no, that's yeah. But we'll go more deeper. From tomorrow, we'll start doing 2-2. We'll do 1-1. Tomorrow we'll add in other ones like React JS. No, let's start with PHP. We'll add PHP and C++. Yeah. Okay. So now we did one today by yourself. Okay. So Python has passed for SAS. Good. All right. So if you can do this thing every day, we use week 1 to do level 8. Then the next week we'll now enter level 7, level 6 to get bigger and better. All right, so waiting for okay, you've done Python, We are many. I think it's waiting for Python Frank's reply. If he's done, if he has solved his Python and JavaScript to start, then you're good to go. I think Jubilee is done. I'm saying it's done done. Is it done done like yeah done or let me understand it done. Please let's know if you are done of what I done with the course or with done with programming. No more programming. You're done with it. You have won a new calling. But on Python and good. And most times now in this code wars, if you spend much time in code wars and it's timed, and probably you now this is that if you solve a problem, it gives you a point. Check your points. It will give you like a mine is now give you I think it's 2 points for level 8 or 1 point. Close to your profile, your homepage, you see anything like a point attached to yours. How many one right? So to solve, but not if you solve a question in a long amount of time, 0 points. So make sure that it's the faster you do it, the faster it will rate your work, so on. So just so we'll do that tomorrow, we'll do it again, next tomorrow, every day. Yes, even weekends too. If you are not weekend is off day, please. All right, guys, for your time. So tomorrow we'll run through HackerRank. HackerRank is more sweeter and more tougher than code was for me, but it's sweeter. So she just go there tomorrow to get and do it, put in our stuffs, and yeah, we build. All right, guys, thank you for your time. So, okay, do have a so, Mr. or Sas, are you done? Okay, good. Okay, was it difficult? Um, Mr. Frank, how was it? Was it difficult?
Um, not really. Just because I wasn't used to the format. I got the
Oh,
format.
okay. So which okay, it's okay, yeah. So all of Jubilee, how about you? Was it difficult? All right, Jerry. But have you linked your socials to it? Your socials.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. It's how we learn. Okay. So also add this to I think this is better ourselves. Let's also do a challenge like this. Stop the 1-1. Okay. Can do we shouldn't do too much. Can be doing 2-2, maybe two of Code Wars, two of HackerRank together for every day. You one Python. Python is one Python, one JavaScript. The one, yeah, from there, two of them. Then something to which HackerRank. From next week, we'll not start doing adding other ones like PHP or SQL. Now, somebody wants get used to it and so on. But it's a good thing you've done. Okay, Mr. O, how's it going? You need help? It ran. Okay, good, good, good. All right, all right. So that's thank you. That means it worked. Okay, it works. It's not really magic. So it worked. So we did it together. All right. So tomorrow we continue together. Thank you guys for your time, and we've made it through. It's 1 hour already. Wow. Okay, guys. So just go and do other things today and tomorrow. I think that should be all for today.